Good afternoon. We are here today as the consulting team that will lead Healio toward a brighter, more prosperous future. We are here to share detailed strategies focusing on regulatory navigation, market preparation, and financial restructuring. Each recommendation, if successful, represents a lifeline for Healio, not just preventing financial collapse, but positioning the company as a major player in the pharmaceutical industry. Our mission is multifaceted with urgency at its core. Our goal is not to keep Healio afloat, but to steer it into a thriving financial and fulfilling its commitment to investors in the community it aims to serve.
Market entry and launch. So pre-market buzz, before you launch, you would like to try to create some buzz around the product. In this case, we would be talking about the medication, and we would be creating campaigns just before the launch to get more people to drive to the stores to buy the product. We would also create distribution partnerships. So we would create deals with suppliers such as CVS and Target or something along those lines, and these will create buzz, but also would allow for widespread and instant distribution. And then we would also like to create a sales force mobilization. We would like to have a marketing team well suited to promote and market this immediately. So we would get them ready just before, obviously, or before in general, so that they can market completely. And then we would also leverage conditional approvals. So this is conditional marketing. This would allow us to sell the drugs while there's more clinical data being collected. And then we would also target international markets. This would allow for us to sell more and market more.
Okay, for the testing and drug approval, we wanted to engage with the regulatory consults. So basically, you collaborate with the experienced FDA consultants that specialize in the fast-tracking drug approval process. And then communicating with these expertise will help navigate the complexities for the clinical trial design. And then we also want to apply for expedited programs by submitting these applications to the FDA's priority review, accelerated approval, or breakthrough therapy designation. And then overall, these programs can reduce the approval timeline and provide faster pathways for innovative therapies that meet urgent patient needs, like for our drug and everything. And then this also allows strategic partnerships, which are established with clinical research and also has a proven track record in swiftly conducting in the phase 2 and 3 trials. And then this outsourcing can reduce delays associated with in-house trial management.
Keeping the company afloat. Financials. Financial restructuring. The purpose of financial restructuring is to improve Healio's cash flow and delay impending loan defaults. The benefits reduces the immediate financial burden, preventing bankruptcy and providing more time to bring weight loss drugs to the market. Implementation. Engage financial advisors and legal counsel to negotiate with banks for loan restructuring, including seeking extensions on loan terms, reducing interest rates, or converting some debt into equity. This may require detailed financial forecasting and negotiations involving Healio's CFO and legal team, with a timeline focused on reaching agreements before any loan default deadlines, typically within 1 to 2 months. Resources and personnel needed would be financial advisors and legal counsel. Next, cost reduction and efficiency improvements. The purpose of this to improve operational costs and improve financial sustainability. The benefits? It extends the runway of existing capital, delaying the urgency for new revenue sources. Implementation. Conduct a thorough audit of all expenses and identify non-essential costs that can be cut. Consider streamlining operations, possibly through workforce adjustments, renegotiating supplier contracts, and adopting more cost-effective methods in research and development, as well as marketing. There should be an immediate action with the aim to see results in 1 to 3 months. Resources and personnel needed, operational and audit teams. Next, we have crowdfunding or public funding initiatives. The purpose? To secure non-dilutive funding through grants or public support mechanisms. Benefits? Introducing new funds without impacting equity or taking more debt on. Implementation. The team must research and apply for relevant government grants, especially those supporting innovation in healthcare and pharmaceuticals. Additionally, consider launching a crowdfunding campaign that positions the weight loss drugs as a public health solution, engaging marketing to craft a compelling story. This effort should begin immediately, with grant application deadlines typically dictating the pace, and crowdfunding campaigns could be launched within 1 to 2 months. Resources and personnel needed, research and development team, as well as marketing team. Wrap up. These strategy actions individually and collectively should help Healio navigate its current financial challenges, avoid default and bankruptcy, and successfully bring its promising weight loss drugs to market. In summary, our plan for Healio is ambitious but grounded in the realistic, actionable steps. The success of these recommendations will not only save Healio from impending financial challenges, but will also pave the way for it to fulfill its potential as a leader in the weight loss market for pharmaceuticals. Thank you.